Hello guys, as you can see I am playing Granny chapter 1 in extreme mode. This game is starting day 1. As we are amok and I am moving very fast, but don't try it at home because I have experience of 3 months. I found literally engine power, so let's escape it car. Plus we are at 1.2 subscribers, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video I wasn't using any kind of glitches, but I used many tricks. As you can see, I move very high because Granny goes another place. It's a cheat, not a glitch. So let's go let's go put it and take engine part and go up there because I'm going to use one more glitch you have never seen before. You are seen first time in this YouTube channel, so subscribe to this channel, making it 72.1k subscriber in this one live video. So you can see I use a trick playing the intern part that there, but it seems like I'm playing so dude in nice. As you can see, I'm moving with very high skills, and you have never seen this skills before in any other channel. My mobile is lagging. Besides, I'm playing so dude and real because I have experience of whole 3 months. Wow. As I drop weapon key because the granny comes here and I will hide need this chair and I will go upstairs when she goes back, and let's go upstairs and get a one my voice is sharp then. Let's go upstairs and open this box and we find a closed door. So using this closed door we can literally unconscious the Glenny, and let's throw the screwdriver and I have grabbed the screwdriver and we need to open the screw because there will be some key that can help us to escape with car, and I have said there will be a padlock key because I'm sure experience of 3 months plus 3 months. So let's see if I can found the exact padlock key, or that will be rusty padlock key or another key like playhouse, car key or spark plug. So let's see my experience, and I got padlock key. And I told you I'm so experienced person in the Granny game. So for playing this Granny game I have practiced a lot, so I am playing so high at just experience of 3 months. So you might subscribe till now, but if you haven't subscribed till now, you have to subscribe it right now. More. So you can see Granny is there, but I throw that key because I think because there will be a car key according to my experience. Let's put the plank because later we don't have to face problems. And yeah, as you can see I found the car key. Let's go here because Granny will be coming here, and let's sound here so Granny will come here and we will go from high speed, and the Granny opens a door but she didn't see me. So I told you I'm so experienced moving very fast and skilled person. So let's move to car and open the car. There will be hammer or watermelon, as I can say watermelon, and watermelon is here. Let's go. I can tell you my experience is so high quality. As if you have any kind of problem or report against my experience, you can literally type it on live message because I'm so unpopular YouTuber, so no one is going to watch my live, so you are not be able to comment. But if you have still any problem, you can still comment on my video. You can see I'm moving very foolishly because, but it helped me to grab both the items to the one place, and it makes me easy to game play, so I can easily escape very fast. And I'm so experienced and pro player here. The Granny hasn't seen me a single time. Besides, I used Joshua. And here Granny isn't seeing me, but I was playing the background music in my microphone. Let's do. If you have still any kind of problems, just see my experience. The guy doesn't know me because I'm very high experience player. So our main topic is escaping with car instead of telling my experience. So in Spider Key we have one opportunity that there is car battery, so we need car battery. But first we need to open the car first when I come from server, so I can directly fastly escape from and no more need of anything. So I am going to complete it already everything. So as you can see, I am doing it very well, but because beside the gameplay, recording, editing, my mobile is very lagging. It's so lagging, and I know it will lag when I will be editing, and my voice, because of my voice on the mobile is so lagging, and it can't handle games. So please support me so that I can buy a full on Max Pro Max S25 Ultra, so I can play the good games and good games like Granny and the Baby in Yellow, because the Baby in Yellow is coming soon and my mobile cannot handle it with screen recording. So I need a new mobile to make the video, because it can't let me open the game. So please support me so I can get the mobile and get it, because you can see beside the close, because I'm recording my audio at my rooftop. So you can see I am playing the game at rooftop at 1820 time. So the time, oh no, not 1820, 1620. So because of this time that I cannot see clearly, but still here is a good game here, which is motivating me to play a game with a peaceful environment. So I want you to like and subscribe my channel, even if you feel my voice is sharper or deeper. You have to like and subscribe. Just even when I am escaping from car, it is the easiest escape. Escaping car is the easiest. I will make life with main door escape plus server escape, because they are difficult. So let's we unscrew the all in screw out the all engines here, and we just need a car battery. This is a basic trap for Granny. It is from when the car was added in the game. This is the best trap I use in Granny game while playing extreme mode. In hard mode I don't have to even use any weapon except opening the locked door that has three step and screwdriver. I don't even need any weapons. So if I play this game hard mode, so I don't even need to send Granny out of home for even 1 millisecond, because trolling Granny is so much easy in even extreme mode, but it sometimes get bad. But in hard mode I am that much experience playing it. I start playing this game from hard mode, then I build up myself in hard mode, so I'm eligible to play this game in hard mode too much. But this is extreme mode, so I can take any risk. I will do live with Teddy also, and escaping from Survive with Teddy also in all extreme mode. Hard mode is so old and only normal people or mid people can play, but we are pro.